Uh, this is my second test. I got interrupted by a phone call, so yeah. And a good day to try to figure out how to make this video for. I'm gonna play a game called O.A.D. It's open source. It's based on I think the Empire games series. It's a RTS around the time period of O.A.D. No, I think it's called O.A.D.E, but that's how the name is called. It's a good game. It gets laggy at times, but it's still a good game. Just have to wait it out, try to do the best you can. It can be hard at first, but it's really fun game. It's a really fun game. There's scenarios, but I don't really like playing them because they're kind of boring. I like playing the randoms and just choosing the map and playing whatever I want. I usually play on the lake because they're the only way you can be attacked is from the side, not from the front or the back. So they're easier to defend yourself, and you know where most of the other stuff are. Well, I mean, most of the other citizens are, and they can really. I like how they can attack you from the front because you can make shits, but the other like the computer can't because of limitations. So everything is based on land, and you go around it. So I like playing it, and I also like playing with against two computers and one as a helper, and I like playing as a woman because of the heavy, I think it's called artillery. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. And I like to put it on deathmatch because I think collecting resources just makes the game longer and it makes it a little boring because I mean it makes it more, well, not, it doesn't really make it more boring, but it adds too much to it. So I'll put deathmatch, and also I set a limit to a population limit because of 100 because of the lagginess. This game can be a little bit slow at times, mostly when you're in the middle of the game and there's a lot of units moving around, and yeah, and victory conditions is conquered. I don't know why there's none. You can put none, but then it doesn't tell you when you kill everybody's else team. So sometimes there's an error or whatever on the AI. So there's another team played soldiers just stuck there and basically freeze, and you don't know that, so you think you won. But like sometimes they start like, I don't know how it works, but they start moving again and they can attack you and you don't know it. So it's kind of annoying. So just leave it at conquer, so you know. Yeah. You can put a reveal map. Basically, you can't see any unless there's one of your soldiers there. You can't see what is happening. And like if there's no soldiers over here, you can't see it. And if you have to take a soldier over there, so you can know what's there, but you can't see it, just blacked out. So that's where reveal map. There's a way to turn it off and turn it on when you're inside the game, but I'll probably show it just to show the map, and then put it all, and then disable it. I don't know what team lock is. I tried turn it off, turn it on. I didn't see any difference. So I don't know how that works. So yeah, usually put it at medium. If you go large, it usually just crashes. It makes your game laggy more than normal, and like I said, this game has problem with lagginess. I'll just leave it at normal. I mean medium at the default. So yeah, I'm gonna start the game now. Oops. I didn't mean to put the timer on top of in the end. So you can see this is my ally. Like I said, I play with two teams against two computers. So there's an ally and enemies. As you can see, as y'all can see, you can't see anything. That's what I meant by reveal map. If you go to settings and you turn on developer overlay, and let me turn off most of the stuff. So most of the stuff are graphical intense things that just make the game look a little better, but they're just slow down your game, and that's kind of annoying. See, you can see all the everything else, and you turn it off. I like to turn it off so I know, so like it's harder to tell what they're gonna do.
Yeah, see?
Here's how you level up in the game. There's town faces, and you have to because this is a deathmatch. I already have the cost and the time it takes. There's 3 levels. I mean 3 town faces. And this one I need to make 5 villages. Structures, basically make 5 houses.
Yeah, see?
Because I'm not gonna use the metals and the wood and all that stuff, so I don't need to make any of this stuff. I'm gonna make more soldiers. Hopefully this works correctly and doesn't make my name fill up half of the page. I was testing it before and it was making my name fill up half of the page, half of the video. Hopefully this works better and I don't have huge blank spot. Hopefully that works. Or not.
Yeah, see?
4, 5. Make them
Yeah,
right
see?
here. Oh, you can shift so you can add more player. I mean more youth soldier. There's actually a woman, they're female character that you can use.
Yeah, see?
Of course. Getting off topic. There's also females, but those are only needed if you're not playing a deathmatch, and they're basically kind of useless. I don't like them. The AI likes to use them a lot. Don't get why. You usually just kill them, or you put like
Yeah, see?
a lot of slime. You
Yeah,
end up
see?
just killing them. That's what I end up doing, and they get annoying because then they soldiers follow them instead of actually attacking the enemy soldiers. Excuse me. The enemy soldiers. So I don't get why they were added to it. There's really no need for them, but whatever.
Russell. Yeah, see?
So this is some of the things come out. Alright,
Yeah, see?
I'm gonna make a new town.
Russell.
You can make basically unlimited town centers, but you have to have space. Like you can't make one of them inside. Like,
Yeah, see?
you can make inside your territory, and they add territory to you, and to destroy the set territory that you created. You need to explore the town center. Let me make it right here. Come on.
Praso. EST.
Make some towers.
Praso. 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 Praso.
These towers shoot out arrows. And I'm just gonna wait for this to finish and stop the video. Wait, no. I'm just gonna stop. Wait. What am I doing? Yeah. This is basically a single protection. They used to work better. And before, I think it was released, Alpha release 10. This is Alpha release 13. Used to work better. They had 6 on each side, so the town center they couldn't touch it. But now they kind of like I think they were overpowered, so they kind of had to take it down and make it. They had to fix it. I didn't like the fix, but because then there's no real protection for the town centers other than men and little of this. But yeah, and they usually I think this what I don't get if it's the the collection stuff. I don't get why. I think this is AI. I think they should fix that because it's a damage instead of collecting resources. They should be making their towns bigger. I mean not towns, but adding town centers and stuff. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this came out right and my voice wasn't as annoying as I think it was.
EST. Praso.